Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store, and now you should go to the search. Click at the search at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Then search, and you should install this application. Now open it. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. Then click Agree and Continue, and right here you can sign in into your account. At the right top you can select your region, or you can also create a new account, but I'm going to skip it. Then click Allow right here, and you can tap at the Add Device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!